Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies from Oreo. First, gather your ingredients: 1 package of Oreo cookies, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and your favorite brownie mix ingredients. This simple recipe delivers a delightful dessert with minimal effort. You'll love the combination of crunchy cookie and rich brownie. Prepare a standard 9 by 13-inch baking pan to start this delicious journey. Now, let's create that irresistible Oreo base. Take about 36 Oreo cookies and crush them finely. You can use a food processor or a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin for this step. Once crushed, mix these cookie crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted butter until well combined. Then, press this buttery mixture firmly into the bottom of your 9 by 13-inch baking pan, forming an even layer. Next, it's time for the brownie layer. Prepare your favorite brownie batter following the instructions on the package. Whether you prefer a fudgy or cakey brownie, this recipe works beautifully. Mix until the batter is smooth and well combined without overmixing. Gently pour this rich brownie batter evenly over the pressed Oreo crust in your 9 by 13-inch pan, spreading it to the edges. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious creation. Place the pan in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out clean when they're ready. Let them cool completely on a wire rack before cutting into perfect squares. This ensures a clean cut and a delightful texture. For a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your amazing Oreo brownies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.